Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another tutorial. I hope you all found it cool and having fun. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more videos, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next tutorials. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tying what we say turban. But before I start that, let me tell you guys who requested for this tutorial. A guy from India, I think he's from India or maybe from Bangladesh. I forgot the comment, but let me read one of the message from him. But always had this question in this mind: how come to know technique of tie all kind of turbans? My turban which I tied, okay. The guy watched my tutorial and he tied this beautiful turban. It's looking amazing on him. You guys can see him. He sent this on my Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description and it's coming here right now. You guys can also send me your pictures on Instagram. He's looking very amazing. Seriously guys, looking very amazing. And the same guy requested for a turban. Sir, वो वाला turban बनाकर दिखाएं जो पानीपत में संजय दत्त ने बांधा है. In a Panipatt film, Sanjay Datt is wearing the turban. So the same turban I'm going to try right now. In Panipatt movie, Sanjay Datt is wearing the same. So let's start this tutorial right now. big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can visit my Instagram and you guys can share your ideas to me, or you guys can send me your pictures that the turban you tried from my channel. Like if you guys have tried any of, so you guys can share. I will obviously share that to my all viewers. So Allah Hafiz till my next tutorial.